Make a great choice today with
The 2026 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, daytime running lights, LED headlights, tires, front all season, four-wheel disc brakes. Experience the exhilaration of freedom on the open road.